This video will assist you with virtual meetings using Google Meet for the University of Belize Faculty of Science and Technology. We will be using Google Meet for several activities. It will be used for the virtual program orientation on Wednesday, August 5th. Note that this does not apply to the faculty orientation from 9 to 10:15. The virtual program orientation follows this on Wednesday, August 5th. We will also be using it for the virtual individual advising meetings. These will be scheduled on Thursday and Friday, August 6th and 7th, between advisees and advisors. You can also meet through virtual appointments at any other time with your lecturers, advisors, chairs, or dean. Some courses will be using Google Meet for live lecture sessions and will be recorded so that students can view again at any time. To use Google Meet, you need to use your UB email address. This email is Google-based. All incoming students will have their email composed of their ID at ub.edu.bz. For example, if your UB ID is 2020-111-111, your UB email will be 2020-111-111 at ub.edu.bz. For those students transitioning from associates to bachelors, they will also use their ID at ub.edu.bz, but will still have their ID at ubstudents.edu.bz email until January. In January, however, all students will transition to the at ub.edu.bz domain. The reason for this transition is so that both students and lecturers have the same domain and will be able to access all features of the G Suite, for example, Google Classroom. All students are to use their UB email in official communications to verify identity as a UB student and for other security purposes when submitting forms such as program change and other office documentation. How will you access the Google meetings? In the case of the program orientation on Wednesday, August 5th, and individual advising sessions that are scheduled for 15-minute sessions anytime from Thursday, August 6th to Friday, August 7th, you will receive an email invitation. If you would like to request an appointment to see your lecturer for a course, your academic advisor, your department chair or dean, send an email requesting an appointment. They will then send you an email invitation with a suggested time on their calendar. Once you have received the email, just open the email and click yes to accept the meeting, as you can see in the image below. This event will be immediately added to your calendar. When you open your email, you're going to see the top of your email as it looks up here. You're going to see those 9 dots that open your Google Apps. Once you click on that, then it's going to open up the Google Apps and you can select calendar from here. This is then going to open your calendar that is connected to your UB email account. When you open your calendar, you will see your events. Here I have selected this event. When you click on that, a new window pops up showing the event details. If you have accepted, it will say that you have accepted as it does show here. And then you can click on Join with Google Meet. When you click on this, Join with Google Meet, it's going to open up another window that has the meeting. Now, after the meeting is complete and if it was recorded, then you can go back to the event as I have done here. This is an event that happened last week. You can go and click on the event and you will see that the video recording of it is available there. This will be applicable for you when you take classes that have Google Meets and the lecturer records it. You can go back to any session on your calendar and look at the video recording of that session. Now, some virtual meeting etiquette. It is courteous to be on time to the Google Meet. If you have never used it before, try accessing the meeting 5 minutes before to figure out technical issues before the scheduled time. In individual meetings, you may turn on your camera and microphone. In large meetings, it is common courtesy to turn your microphone on mute so that the meeting moderator may talk without interruption from background noise. When you would like to speak, turn on your microphone.